The recipe doctors will not tell you. Your liver will be like new and you will look 10 years younger. The liver is called the laboratory authorities because performs various important functions such as fat burning, discharge toxins, and many others. Poor nutrition, bad habits will affect the work of all the organs of your body, including the liver. Therefore, its function can be impaired and therefore the need to recover. Eat a healthy diet, remove harmful ingredients. What are you going to help? This is a natural beverage that many benefits for your health. Clean blood. Recovered liver. Strengthens immunity. Detoxify the body. Prevents inflammation and infection. Works anti-cancer. Works as an antioxidant. Improves metabolism. Reduces blood sugar and cholesterol in the blood. Good effect on the skin. Ingredients: 2 lemon, cucumber. A handful of parsley. 200 milliliters of water. Before preparation, check out highly recommended organic liver detox tea on Amazon. Link in the description box. Preparation and method of use: place the ingredients in a blender until you have a fine drink. The beverage drinks a month, after a glass 1 to 2 times a day. Then a break of 2 weeks. After a break again, repeat the treatment. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.